So I'm back, and the way I want to work is the following. So you know, on the lathe you have the tool holder. So let me ungrab the thing. And what I want to do, you know, so let me put some light. So I want to mill this surface. In fact, I want to decrease this thickness. So it's not a very precise job, but I have, you know, maybe 3 or 4 millimeters to mill to reach the thickness I want. So with a milling machine, it's a pretty easy job. And the way you can do it on the lathe, you know, you put the parts on the tool holder. So in this way, you need to secure it, you know, strongly, so to avoid any vibration or any damage, like that. So then you put, you know, the tool loader in the correct thing. I like to remove all the tool on the tool post, you know, to avoid any concern or any danger about that. And then the thing that is critical, you need to have, for sure, you know, the proper tool. So I use this kind of tool, so it will help me, you know, to grab a metal and to mill it properly. But the tool, I will feed the tool directly, you know, inside the jack. So it's a good way, you know, to. And as you can see here, there is some flat surface on the tool, so you need to either gripping them on a flat surface.